Hello there, my name is Carlos Arteaga from Cisco Tech. Today, I will show you how to improve an access control policy by using the Security Cloud Control Policy Analyzer and Optimizer feature. This feature is useful to optimize the way an access control policy is configured, with the two main benefits being: number 1, simplified management, and number 2, optimized resource utilization, such as memory and CPU for the FMC and FTD. For this example, we are going to work with a virtual FMC on version 7.6.5 and a virtual FTD on version 7.6.4. As a prerequisite, the On-Prem FMC must be onboarded to Security Cloud Control. Also, as a best practice, an FMC backup should be taken and the access control policy copied into a new one before running the remediation process. Let's get started. First, we are going to clone the ACP into a new one. For this, we have to log into the FMC. Navigate to the Policies tab and click Access Control. Click on the three dots next to the ACP, select the Clone option, and wait for the new ACP to appear. Now we're going to onboard the FMC to SCC. Navigate to the Integration tab and click Cisco Security Cloud. Click Enable Cisco Security Cloud for a code to display and a new window to be opened. Click Continue to Cisco SSO and log in to the SCC tenant. Select the desired tenant. Verify that the code matches with the one on the FMC and click Authorize FMC. Back on FMC, make sure that the Enable Policy Analyzer and Optimizer checkbox is marked and click Save. Wait for the FMC to get registered to SCC so we can proceed. Once the registration process is complete, we may log in to the SCC tenant. Select Firewall on the left panel. Then, on the left panel, select Administration and Firewall Management Center under the Integration section. Scroll down and verify that the onboarded FMC is in a sync status. Select the desired FMC and scroll down to the Policy Analyzer and Optimizer option on the right panel. Select the cloned ACP and click Analyze Policy on the right panel. This process can take from a few minutes to several hours depending on the size of the ACP, so we just need to wait for this process to finish. Once the analysis is complete, we can see the results with the View Analysis Details and Optimize option on the right panel. We can also download the analysis report on this section. Depending on the results, we can choose whether to disable, delete, or merge the optimizable rules. After selecting the desired actions, we can click Apply Remediation for these changes to be pushed to the FMC. Once the remediation is applied, we can go back to the FMC to check the results. Here we can see that the original ACP has 9 rules. And here we can see that the cloned ACP has only 2 rules. Then, the assigned FTDs can be reassigned to the new ACP under a maintenance window. This completes the desired configuration for this video. Thank you for watching.